Okay, so welcome back to my channel. Now, hopping right into this video, today we are making a lemon cake from scratch. You guys seen me make one from a box cake hack before, which is also very, very delicious, but this one is definitely from scratch. So starting off with 2 sticks of butter, you want to make sure that they are room temperature and soft to the touch. We're going to cream that with 2 full cups of sugar. Okay, you just let it cream. I did let mine cream for about 7 minutes. Okay, so scraping the sides in the bottom is definitely needed to make sure that everything gets well blended and incorporated together. So that is what I am doing right now. Okay, so now that my butter and sugar is creamed together, I'm going to add in 3 large eggs. These are also at room temperature. You want to make sure that everything, all of your liquids, are at room temperature. Nothing should be cold or straight out of the refrigerator. Like, prepare ahead of time. Make sure everything is at room temperature. So I'm just going to let that mix, and while that's mixing, I'm adding in a whole tablespoon of lemon extract. Okay, so I just let that mix in my mixer until the liquid, I couldn't see it anymore, which was not that long. I could not count and tell you how long it was. So now I have a whole lemon. I zest a little bit. I did not have my zester, the right tools, because everything is packed up. So I tried to use a knife. That didn't work. So I just used what I had, dumped that in there, which is going to make sure this cake tastes like lemon. This cake is going to be bursting with lemon flavor. Okay, so then I took my lemons that I was trying to zest, cut it in half, and I squeezed the juice of 2 halves in there. So 1 whole lemon, in other words. And I just let that mixed up until, again, the liquid disappeared. Okay, so now I'm adding in my flour and my milk. I'm alternating between the two. I am using 3 cups of sifted flour. I did stiff it first. And inside of the flour is a teaspoon of baking powder and also a half a teaspoon of salt. And so I mixed it up and I just stiffed everything together. And then the milk, I am using room temperature milk. And I'm just alternating between the two again. And so then I did add in a couple of drops of yellow food coloring so I can get the yellow color for this lemon cake because I wanted it to be yellow. Of course, it's optional, but who doesn't want a yellow lemon cake, right? All right, so now to grease my pan up, I am using some Crisco, some butter flavored Crisco, and I just rub that all around, and then I dust some flour, rub that around as well, and then I turned it upside down into the garbage can to make sure that there was no excess flour. So now I am just going to go ahead and put the cake batter into the pan. I'm going to bake this at 325 degrees, and it baked for 1 whole hour and 10 minutes. Once it came out, I did allow it to sit for about 5 minutes, and then I flipped it onto my cake board and let it set until it became cool to touch, but I can still feel that it was warm because we definitely wanted to eat a warm lemon pound cake. Okay, so to prepare the icing, I am starting off with 1/2 of a lemon. I was about to say a whole lemon, but I just used a half. And I squeezed all the juice out, and I added in 1 cup of powdered sugar and 1 tablespoon of coffee creamer. I'm using a sweet Italian cream or a sweet Irish cream. You can use just milk. You can use just water. You can use just more lemon juice, whatever you want. And I'm using my little hand whisk here, this little small cute one, to just mix it or blend it until everything gets well mixed together and it is nice and creamy like this, like this, like this, like this. And so then I am just going to drizzle that all around the cake. I did allow it to get a little crusted before we cut it. I added some slices of lemon for decoration, of course, but you guys, it turned out so good and so beautiful. but just so good. Like it's bursting with lemon flavor. So if you want a lemon cake, definitely make this recipe. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, and share this video. See you in the next one.